you can turn it off. Yep, turn it off. There you go. There's a big button right here. And it's going to let the beard push it. There you go. Pick one up. One's yours. Let some come off of it a minute. Alright, go over by Max.
Give that to it.
Go over by Max.
Go over.
Go over by Max.
And give this to him.
No, just go by him.
Want me to take the ball?
I'll get it. Come on. Here you go, Max. Mmm. Is it good? You got one. You got one, buddy.
Watch it. Watch over here. On the floor.
Nom, nom. Nom. Is it good? Good. Well, Bill, how is it? How's the brownie mix? Good?
Right.
All right. All right, let's get them in the oven.